Looking for the right health insurance for parents above 60? Here are 15 expert tips to help you choose the best plan. 1. Choose senior-friendly health insurance plans designed for travelers aged 60 to 99. Not all plans accept older applicants. 2. Focus on plans that offer pre-existing condition coverage or acute onset of pre-existing condition coverage, a must for senior travelers. 3. Plans like Atlas America, Patriot America Plus, SafeVista Protect, and Safe Travels USA Comprehensive are top choices, reliable and widely accepted. 4. Select comprehensive plans over fixed benefit plans. They provide higher coverage for hospitalization and emergencies. 5. Make sure the plan includes coverage for COVID-19. It's still considered a high-risk illness. 6. Look for policy maximums between $100,000 and $1 million. Hospital bills in the U.S. are extremely high. 7. Choose low deductibles like $0 or $250 for parents to minimize your out-of-pocket expenses. 8. Check if the plan covers prescription medications and outpatient care. These are common needs for elderly parents. 9. Emergency medical evacuations should be included, especially important for critical health situations. 10. Plans with PPO networks like First Health or United Healthcare offer better hospital access and savings, ideal for seniors. 11. Some plans also include coverage for AD&D and return of mortal remains. These are important benefits. 12. Choose plans having trip interruption and follow-up visits as they are useful benefits abroad. They offers more flexibility during long visits. 13. Mental health and urgent care coverage are increasingly relevant, especially for seniors with existing conditions. 14. Buy insurance before your parents arrive in the U.S. Some plans cannot be purchased after arrival. 15. Finding the right health insurance for your parents above 60 is crucial. Compare plans on OnshoreKare.com to find age-appropriate options with expert support for quick, easy, and personalized plans.